Okay. Hello Noval, good morning. Thank you for coming today. And I am Ebenezer Lapitu as HR in this company. And enjoy Noval, don't be nervous.
Okay, good morning, Mr. Ebenezer Napitu. Thank you for having me today for the interview section.
Okay, great. Let's start. Noval, can you tell me a little bit about yourself and why do you interest in this company, especially in this software engineer position?
Okay, I recently graduated from Polytechnic Negeri Bandung with a degree in information technology. Also, I'm eager to start my career and learn as much as I can. And I'm particularly interested in this position because it offers the opportunity to work on a variety of projects and technologies.
Okay, great. We are looking for someone who is a quick learner and can work independently. Do you think you have any skill and experience necessary to be successful in this role?
Well, of course, I believe I do. I'm a hard worker and I'm always willing to learn a new thing. I'm also a team player and I'm confident that I can contribute to the success of your team in this company.
That's good to hear. Now, let's talk about your qualification. And you mentioned that you have recently graduated. What were some your favorite course or project that you work on?
Yes, I really enjoyed my course on data structure and algorithm. I also work on a project where I developed a mobile app and a web. It was a great learning experience and it helped me to develop my problem solving skill also.
Wow, that sounds impressive. Now, let's talk about the job responsibilities. You will be responsible for data entry, user support, and software development. Do you have any experience with any of this area?
Yes, I have some experience with data entry and user support. I'm also familiar with a variety programming language such as JavaScript, Python, C, and framework from PHP like Falcon and Laravel also.
Okay, great. It sounds like you have a good foundation for this role. Now, I'd like to ask a few questions about your work style. How would you describe yourself as a worker?
I'm a hard worker and I'm always willing to go the extra mile. I'm also a team player and I'm confident that I can contribute to the success of your team in this company.
Okay, that's good to hear. Finally, I'd like to ask you about question about your career goals. What are your hopes and dreams for the future?
Well, I hope to one day I become a software engineer. I'm also interested in management and I would like to eventually move into a leadership role.
Those are great goals. I'm confident that you can achieve them with hard work and dedication.
Well, thank you. I'm really excited about the opportunity to work for your company, and I'm confident that I can make a significant contribution.
Great. Do you have any question for me?
Well, yes, I have several questions. Maybe can you describe the work environment and culture from this company?
Okay, the work environment is fast-paced and challenging, but it is also very rewarding. We have any strong team culture and we support each other.
Okay, that's really wonderful. And one more question: what are your expectations to this position from me?
We expect some we, ex, we expect someone in this position to be a quick learner and to be able to work independently. We also expect someone who is team player and can work good in communication.
Okay, then. Well, I don't have any more question about this company. Maybe I can uh, give it back to you the question if you have some.
Okay, thank you, Noval. for your time, and thank you for interest in this position. We will to be touch you in within weeks, and for the next I will contact you. Thank you, Noval, for coming.
All right, sir. Thank you very much for your time and consideration. I hope my CV can yeah, interesting for you.
Okay, Noval, thank you, Val. You can leave the meeting. Thank you.
Okay, see you then, sir.
See you.
Good morning, Mr. Eben. My name is Noval Zara Mahantri, and I'm HR of this company. So maybe we can start the interview right now.
Good morning, Mr. Naval. Thank you for inviting me.
No problem at all. So, Eben, your cover letter mentioned your interest in the sales data analyst position. Can you tell me a little bit more about what drew you to the specific role at Orang Tua Group?
Absolutely. As a recent graduate with a passion for data analyst, I am particularly interested in how data can be used to drive sales growth. Orang Tua Group is a high represent company with a strong brand presence, and I believe my skill in data analysis and visualization could be a valuable asset to your sales team.
Well, that's great to hear. So, your resume mentioned your internship at PT 247. Can you tell me about a specific project you work in there on there that involved data analysis or something?
Certainly, during my internship, I was involved in a project analyzing customer purchasing behavior. Using Python and Pandas, I was able to identify trends in product preference based on demographic and on purchase history. This information was used to tailor marketing campaigns for specific customer segment, leading to a significant increase in target sales.
Alright, that's interesting. Can you elaborate on your communication skill? The role require close collaboration with the sales team to translate data insight into actionable strategies.
During my time in Politeknik Negeri Bandung, I was active in Persekutuan Mahasiswa Kristen, and I served as head of facilities and infrastructure department and head of human resource department in the second year. This leadership role helped me to communication and teamwork skill. And I am confident that I can effectively communicate complex findings to both technique and non-technique audience.
Alright, thank you, Eben. So far, your experience seems like a good fit for the position. So, would you like to ask anything about Orang Tua Group or the sales data analyst role?
Yes, I'd love to learn more about the specific challenge and opportunities with the sales data analyst role. Additionally, I'm curious about the company culture in Orang Tua Group.
That's a great question, Eben. As a sales data analyst at Orang Tua Group, you will be responsible for collecting, analyzing, and interpreting sales data to identify trends and patterns. You will also be responsible for developing and implementing data-driven strategies to improve sales performance.
Thank you for that insightful answer. The challenge you have described align well with my skill set and career aspiration. I'm confident that I can make a significant contribution to sales data analyst team at Orang Tua Group.
That's great to hear, Ben. So, we're almost out of time, but I do have one more question for you. So, what should we hire you over other candidate for this role?
I believe that my strong analytical skills, combined with my experience in data visualization and communication, make me the ideal candidate for this position. I am confident that I can provide valuable insight that will help Orang Tua Group achieve its sales goals.
Alright, maybe that's all. Thank you, Eben. We will be in touch soon regarding our decision. So, stay in touch, okay?
Okay, Mr. Naval, thank you for your time and consideration.
Okay. See ya.